Here we are live with Scott Maroon from West Springfield, Mass. Holyoke. And we're doing the Fuego Spice Choco Challenge with the White Lightning, helping to feed America. And are we ready, Mr. Scott Maroon?
Right.
From Holyoke.
Ooh.
Is that white chocolate?
Mm-hmm.
All at one time?
White Lightning.
What's the
All
rule?
at one time?
Mm-hmm.
White chocolate infused with 12 of the world's hottest peppers.
Jesus.
So what do? You can't drink for how long?
10 minutes afterwards.
50
who's got the
meals are
timer?
donated per bar
Oh, all right.
sold.
Does that mean you swallowed it, right?
Swallows go.
So 5
Right.
minutes starting now?
Holy
Whoa.
crap, your eyes are coming out.
He did that with 3 different
5 minutes starting now?
5 minutes starting now.
Anybody?
It says crazy enough to take the challenge.
It's hot.
I'm going to put 6 just to mess with them.
Pretty tasty.
He did this with 3 different bars earlier.
Oh
And
my
he's done it
god.
with others. I don't know how he does it.
It says you must be insane to consume this pain.
My name is Looney.
Is it
Yeah.
hot?
Oh yeah.
Really?
Oh yeah, it's kicking in. It hasn't kicked in yet. I can feel it.
Super hot.
It's right here, and it's working around right about
Is it
here.
in your
Right now.
beard?
It's right about here right now.
Oh my
Hasn't got down
god.
the throat yet.
I don't know how he does it. I truly don't know how he does that.
You are.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
12 of the hottest peppers.
Feeling it. Today is April 5th.
Oh yeah, I forgot
I'm
to say
feeling it.
that. 20,
April
21.
5th.
Did we get a bowl?
No. I don't have now a bowl.
4 minutes remaining.
Mm.
What do you want for a drink? Milk?
Yeah.
Do we have milk?
Oh, milk.
And a pound of bacon.
And a pound of bacon. And
12
an
eggs.
Italian on a moxie.
I could pour a bunch of
Maybe
creamers
an Italian with a moxie.
Ooh. Lips on fire.
Do you have an Italian mint to go?
Yeah.
Why don't you have it after that?
I'm only out late morning breakfast.
Amato should sponsor you. Let's be
Should.
fair.
Wow.
Holy shit, it's hot.
This is crazy.
Oh my god.
I don't know how you even do it.
Look, you're turning red.
Brutal.
You know what? I'd have a,
Which one's
I'd have
hotter?
a heartburn for 11 and a half weeks if I ever did that.
Which one's hottest?
The brutal one, a peanut butter brittle.
The peanut butter brittle? But
That one was
the
pretty
nut
good.
challenge wasn't that bad for you. The death nut?
Death nut challenge is nothing.
So this is hotter than death nut?
These, what did it? So did it come? So
Fuzzy
each box
peppers.
just
Yeah.
comes with one. Is that
Pepper
what?
stuck my tongue. Oh, pepper stuck my tongue.
Keep what? He almost bit his tongue?
No, pepper was stuck on it. Got stuck in my fake teeth.
Oh my God, Scott, how do you even do this? How's the time doing?
2.5 minutes.
It's gotta have something to do
2.5 more minutes.
Oh.
Eric, you got a drink ready?
with coming.
Sweating now.
Working on it.
Fuego
Don't
spice.
forget
So did this
Get him
box
like
come
a
with
spicy
just one?
V8 with a little bit of
Yeah, I've got
No spicy
So you've
V8.
done 2 other
Tabasco
ones.
sauce just to mess with them.
Wow.
Got his eyes are gonna fall out of his head.
No, I've never had a cold shot. Never had a flu shot.
Well, this is probably gonna take care of it anyway.
Cure everything.
Well, I haven't had one yet.
This is the cure for COVID, by the way.
I need one. I haven't had a shot.
Don't get one.
of those
No waste of
bars.
time.
Eat one of those bars.
Yeah.
No,
Okay.
thanks.
Hot kills COVID.
Oh my God.
Oh, mouth's on fire. Holy shit.
Super hot.
Oh, it is
So this
hot.
is actually hotter than the death nut.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Death nut wasn't. It's okay, but
How long has it been? About 90 minutes?
no.
Oh, we got a minute and a half left.
Half and half.
Is it half and half? I don't have half and half. I want my oat milk.
That's all you got.
The oat milk I want.
You want the oat
I
milk?
want the half and half. Drink half and half. I can't drink dairy.
Whoa.
Keep it for yours, Erica.
He's swishing spit.
No, I can't eat dairy, so
That oat milk's not gonna work the same way.
of course it
Old
will.
milk. Why do you guys keep calling it old milk? How old is it?
Oh,
Has it got chunks in it?
It's creamy.
She's saying oatmeal.
Oat? Oat. Oh, that's not gonna help you.
I don't care.
That's why I was.
You're handling it pretty
No,
well.
that's oily. That's not gonna help him. You need
I was
carrot.
just enjoying the pain.
Do you see his eyes bulging out?
Yeah.
Scott, I'll probably won't be up tomorrow, but I'll probably come up the next day.
Nene, this is gonna be on social media.
It's going on YouTube tonight.
Oh my God.
They're gonna know your schedule.
Yeah. She didn't know what he was talking about though. Oh. What time got left there?
24 seconds.
Woo!
24 seconds.
Yeah. Yeah.
The countdown.
Oh, God.
Oh God.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Thank you
Game
for
over.
doing the Choco
Yep.
Challenge.
Very
Cheers.
tasty.
Yay!
Cheers. It's stupid spicy, Bob.
Is that a
Say
new-
goodbye.
Oh, bye bye, video.
I can smell it in the air.